Hello everybody and welcome to my channel, and this video is on indices. So here we have our first problem. It says simplify p cubed add p to the power of 5. Now when it says simplify and we have indices, it tells us that we need to add the indices. So we've got p cubed times p to the power of 5. Our indices are our 3 and our 5. So to get this with just 1p, we're going to do p to the power of 3 add 5. And p to the power of 3 add 5 is equal to p to the power of 8. Now when we do division, it's pretty similar. We want to get p to the power of 8 divided by p to the power of 3 in the form of just 1p like up here. So instead of adding like we did with our multiply, we're just going to take them away from each other. So what we've got is p to the power of 8 minus 3, which is equal to p to the power of 5. Now down here we need to do exactly the same, but because we have 3p cubed times by 4p to the power of 8, we need to remember to times these front numbers, the 3 and the 4, by each other at the start. So if we do 3 times by 4, that's going to give us 12. So what we've got is 12p. Because it's a times, we know we add the 3 and the 8, so 12p to the power of 3 add 8. And that is equal to 12p to the power of 11. Now here we have our question 4, which says simplify 64 to the power of 1 over 2. And now anything to the power of a fraction, so take 1 over 2, is equal to the square root of that. So this is equal to the square root of x. And if it said x to the power of 1 over 3, it will be equal to the cube root of x, and so on. So here we've got 64 to the power of 1 over 2, which is equal to the square root of 64. And the square root of 64 is equal to 8. So the answer to 64 to the power of 1 over 2 is equal to 8. Now down here it says simplify 16 to the power of 3 over 2. And 3 over 2 is just, if we write it as a mixed number, 3 over 2 is equal to 1 and 1 over 2. So we'll concentrate on the 1 over 2, so the half bit first. So 16 to the power of a half is equal to, like we said up here, the square root of 16, which is equal to 4. Now we've got this 3 bit to deal with, and all that's saying is we now need to cube our 4. So 4 cubed is equal to 64. So 16 to the power of 3 over 2 is equal to 64. So here's our sixth problem, and it says simplify 25 to the power of 3 over 2. And like we said before, we'll concentrate on the 1 over 2 bit of it first. So 25 to the power of 1 over 2 is equal to the square root of 25, and the square root of 25 is 5. Now we need to concentrate on our 3 of it, the 3 of it. So we're going to do 5 to the power of 3, which is equal to 5 times 5 times 5, which is 125. So 25 to the power of 3 over 2 is equal to 125. Here in the seventh problem, it just says 49 to the power of a half. We know 49 to the power of a half is equal to the square root of 49. The square root of 49 is 7. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please be sure to like and subscribe, and comment down below any future video ideas that I could make to help you guys out. Also be sure to check out my social medias, which are all in the description box below.